Before he became our father, he first became the love of one extraordinary woman. Together, they built more than a family. They built a home filled with laughter, faith, hope, and unconditional love. To the world, he may simply be one man, but to us, he is our protector, our teacher, our guide, the one who showed us that love is not only spoken, it is lived every single day. Every sacrifice he made, every long day, every silent prayer was for us. Every father was once a son. He carried with him the values taught by those who raised him. Respect, kindness, humility. The lessons he received became the legacy he passed on to us. 60 years, a lifetime of God's faithfulness, countless blessings, countless sacrifices, endless love. By God's grace, you became more than a father. You became an example of faith. You taught us to trust God, to love without condition, to serve with humility, and to walk faithfully, even through life's greatest challenges. No matter where life takes us, one truth will always remain. The legacy you leave is not measured by the years you've lived, but by the lives you've pointed to Christ. Because of your faith, we are who we are today. Happy 60th birthday, Tatay. Thank you, Paul, for every prayer, every sacrifice, every lesson, and every act of love. May the Lord continue to strengthen you, guide you, and bless you. To God be all the glory. We love you so much, Paul. Always.
Hello po, Tatay. Happy 60th birthday po sa inyo. And I know God will always bless you po. Maraming salamat po at sobrang na-appreciate ko po kayo, especially nung nasa Pinas po ako. Turing niyo po ako na parang anak niyo na din po. At happy birthday po ulit, Tay. Maraming salamat po ulit and God bless you and your family always.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay. Wish you all the best. May God bless you more and more and more. Sana po ay kayo mabuhay hanggang 100 years old. Wish you all the best po, Tatay, and enjoy your day. We love you.
Recording. Yun, Tay, morning. Happy birthday po sa inyo dyan. It's mag-aalas 3 na din. May pasok pa ako mamaya. Ako ay nag-e-edit pa din ng inyong video ngayon. Pinapanood nyo po ngayon yan. Ito. Nakita ko, ako na lang yung yung wala pang greetings, video greetings sa inyo. Kaya, ayun. Just wanna say happy birthday po. And just wanna say thank you, Tatay. Kayo ay tunay na napakabait ninyo. Tunay na kami ay sobrang blessed bilang isang mga anak at bilang isang pamilya. Salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, salamat sa inyong mga payo, salamat sa mga pagod na inyong sinakripisyo noong mga panahon na kayo nagtatrabaho pa sa tanda ko yun kayo nagtatrabaho pa sa HJNP kung saan man. I just wanna say thank you, Tay. Lahat ng mga payo nyo ay naiisa buhay ko naman at sa pagiging mabuting asawa sa inay. May mga bagay man na hindi pagkakaunawaan pero nakikita ko pa rin kung gaano nyo kamahal ang inay and natutunan ko yung mga ganong bagay at hindi nyo man ako tinuturuan pero yung mga ganong klaseng action nyo po ay siyang nakikita ko at siyang nai-apply ko. At ayun, madami kayong mga bagay na tinuturo nang hindi nyo po alam na kaming mga anak ninyo ang siyang nakakakita. Kaya yung pagiging mabuti nyo pong ama ay isa sa mga epekto kung bakit or kung gaano kami kabubuting mga anak ngayon. Ayun tay, sa special na araw na ito ay nais namin ipaalala sa iyo na kung gaano ka kahalaga sa amin. Sabi mo ay huwag nang paghandaan, huwag na mag-birthday, huwag na magregalo, ay hindi naman pwede yun. At nakita namin kung gaano kayo kasimple, kaya hindi kami papayag. Kahit pa paano ay paghahandaan natin, ano po. At alam naming hindi sapat yung mga simpleng salita para lang masuklian ang lahat ng mga pagmamahal at pagsasakripisyo nyo po sa amin. Kaya sa kaunting ganitong klaseng paraan ay kahit pa paano ay maparamdam namin tatay sa iyo na mahal namin kayo. At ako nga po pala ay may sasabihin sa mga nanonood din. Tatay, sasabihin ko na gawa ng ang tatay ho kasi hindi lang ako sinasabi sa inyo ay sa tunay yan ay sasabihin ko na tay. Gawa ng ano ho yan ang tatay, secret agent po kasi ang tatay. Basta panoorin nyo na lang po, tingnan ninyo. Tay, happy birthday po ulit. Love you.
Every life tells a story. Some stories deserve to be celebrated. 60 years of unforgettable moments. Today we celebrate the man behind them all. 60 years. One journey, one family, one celebration. Happy 60th birthday. Agent 07, Joel Rieta.